2015 Dodge Grand Caravan with the Eldorado conversion on it. I'll just point out some wear and conditions, scratches there on the vehicle as we go. Overall, the vehicle is in pretty clean shape, especially considering its mileage and its age. Tires on it. What's nice about this conversion is this skirting right here in black is all steel, meaning when you scrape or rub it, it's not going to tear up like those plastic fenders have on there. Back tires are the original. So it's going to hold up much better to use. Got some scrapes here. So this was made for commercial use. So you've got a manual door and ramp. And I'll show you how that works here. So you just slide open the door there. And then this ramp sits next to the door. It's a bifold ramp. So you can grab on this piece that moves up. And you're just going to pull it out. As you pull it out, there's actually some spring assist that happens on the side there. And then when you go to pick it up, there's a little handle. So you can actually pick this up and put it back in. You can see how that spring mechanism works there. So then you got a 30-inch wide ramp. It's ADA compliant, so it's less than 15 degrees there. So a manual power check can get up there. And you can see where they've lowered the floor. The original floor was about there, and then they lowered it all the way down here. That gives us a much bigger opening height. Got about 56 inches here. That way you can get in with a wheelchair. Got a 3-seat bench seat back there. And then this seat comes out. So we have pictures of that on our website. And then that seat is fixed. So you can see the floor goes flat all the way across. And then these anchor points here are for the wheelchair straps that hold down the wheelchair. This is an SE model. So it's got the cloth interior, basic radio, climate control. So you got left and right there. And then you've got your cruise control and power functions there. Like I said, overall vehicle's in good condition. Runs and drives well. Back there. Those pedestals are steel and they sit on top of the pedestal in order to keep your feet at a height that was similar to what the original van had. Spare tire here, and then a set of those manual restraints. Both side doors slide, and then the driver's opens here. You got power windows and locks. The seat has a little bit of wear on it. Other than that, very nice vehicle for the price. Thank you so much for watching.